Most people are losing money every single week without even realizing it. Not because prices are too high, but because they are ignoring loyalty programs that quietly give discounts, cashback, and rewards on everyday shopping. And here's the truth no one tells you. Retailers are already tracking your spending habits. But instead of using that to your advantage, most shoppers walk away empty-handed every time they buy something. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking loyalty programs are small or useless. Because when used correctly, they can literally save you hundreds of dollars per month. So in this video, you are going to learn 10 powerful retail and loyalty programs that can help you save real money on almost every transaction. And more importantly, you will understand how people stack these rewards to maximize savings. Now, imagine a person named Alex. Alex shops for groceries, buys clothes, orders coffee, and shops online. Before using loyalty programs, Alex spends full price everywhere. But after joining the right programs, Alex starts getting cashback, points, and discounts on almost every purchase. Now here's where it gets interesting. The same spending pattern suddenly becomes a money-saving system. Let's break down exactly how this works. We will go through 10 of the most useful retail and loyalty programs you should know about, and how real shoppers use them strategically. First is Amazon Prime Rewards. Amazon is not just an online store. It is a full loyalty ecosystem. With Amazon Prime, you get cashback offers, exclusive discounts, and reward points on selected purchases. For example, Jake buys electronics and household items regularly. Instead of just paying and leaving, he uses Prime benefits, special credit card offers, and cashback deals stacked together. Now here's the problem. Most people only use Amazon for convenience, not rewards. That means they miss out on hidden savings every single month. Next is Walmart Rewards. Walmart offers cashback through its app and special savings programs. You can earn rewards on groceries, fuel, and everyday essentials. Imagine John doing weekly grocery shopping. Instead of just checking out, he scans his receipts through the Walmart app and earns points that convert into savings later. It may not feel huge at first, but over time it adds up significantly. Next is Target Circle. Target Circle is a free loyalty program that gives personalized deals and cashback offers based on your shopping behavior. Now here's where it gets interesting. The more you shop, the more targeted your discounts become. It literally learns what you buy. So if Alex buys snacks and household items regularly, Target Circle starts giving him tailored discounts on those exact categories. Next is Starbucks Rewards. This is one of the most popular loyalty programs in the world. Every purchase earns stars, and those stars can be redeemed for free drinks and food. But here's the problem most people face. They don't track their rewards properly, so they end up leaving free drinks unused. Regular users like Jake maximize this by always ordering through the app, which doubles reward efficiency. Next is Costco Membership Rewards. Costco works differently. You pay for membership, but in return you get bulk pricing and annual cashback rewards based on spending. Now this is where things become powerful. Families who shop frequently can save hundreds of dollars per year just by using Costco strategically. For example, John buys groceries and household items in bulk. His annual cashback check alone sometimes covers his membership fee. Next is Kroger Plus Rewards. Kroger offers fuel points and grocery discounts. Every purchase earns points that can be used for fuel savings. Now here's something most people miss. Fuel rewards can sometimes reduce gas costs significantly when used correctly. So Alex not only saves on groceries but also on transportation costs. Next is Sephora Beauty Insider. Sephora's loyalty program is very popular among beauty shoppers. It offers points, birthday gifts, and exclusive product access. But here's where it gets interesting. Higher tiers unlock premium rewards that are not available to regular customers. So consistent shoppers get more value over time, without spending extra. Next is Best Buy Rewards. Best Buy offers points on electronics purchases, extended offers, and member-only discounts. For example, Jake buys a laptop. Instead of just paying full price, he earns reward points that he can use for future purchases or accessories. This creates a cycle of savings on high-ticket items. Next is CVS Extra Care. CVS ExtraCare is a pharmacy and retail reward program that gives coupons, cashback, and personalized deals. Now here's the key insight. Many users stack coupons with rewards, which creates double savings. So John buying medicine and daily essentials often pays much less than retail price. Next is Rakuten Cashback Program. Rakuten is not a store. It is a cashback platform that gives you money back for shopping at thousands of online retailers. Here's how it works. You shop through Rakuten, and it gives you a percentage of your purchase back in cash. Now here's the problem most beginners miss. They forget to activate Rakuten before shopping. That means they lose free money. Smart users like Alex always check Rakuten first before buying anything online. Finally, we have Macy's Star Rewards. Macy's offers tiered rewards based on spending levels. The more you shop, the higher your status and the more perks you unlock. This includes bonus discounts, free shipping, and exclusive sales access. Now let's connect everything so you understand the real strategy behind saving money. Loyalty programs are not just random discounts. They are systems designed to reward consistent behavior. The key is stacking. That means combining credit card rewards, store rewards, and cashback platforms together. For example, Jake buys something from Best Buy. He uses a cashback credit card, earns Best Buy points, and activates Rakuten. That is 3 layers of savings in one transaction. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most people only use one program at a time. But advanced users stack multiple systems together to maximize savings. That is how some shoppers save hundreds of dollars per month without changing what they buy. But here's the truth. You don't need to use all 10 programs at once. You just need to pick the ones that match your lifestyle. If you shop online often, Amazon and Rakuten matter most. If you shop for groceries, Walmart and Kroger matter more. If you buy electronics, Best Buy and Costco become powerful. Now let's simplify everything. Step 1 is to sign up for the loyalty programs you already shop from. Step 2 is to always check for cashback before buying anything. Step 3 is to stack rewards whenever possible. Step 4 is to track your savings monthly, so you stay consistent. Now if you follow even a few of these programs properly, you will start noticing real savings on your transactions. And over time, those small savings turn into significant money saved. The biggest difference between average shoppers and smart shoppers is not income. It is awareness. Smart shoppers use systems. Average shoppers ignore them. So the next time you make a purchase, remember this. There is almost always a reward system behind it. You just need to activate it. If this helped you understand how retail loyalty programs actually work, make sure you like the video, comment which program you already use, and subscribe for more simple financial breakdowns like this.